It's our simple Asian salad with tempeh. It's great for anyone that's had pitta dosha that wants to keep themselves cool in summer. So let's start by cutting up the vegetables. Add coconut oil to your wok, along with the celery sticks and the radish, ginger, add in bok-choy and julienned carrots. Then make the dressing. The dressing's got some warming ingredients, so be careful, pittas. Make sure that you add some cilantro freshly chopped on the top. Add the sauce to the salad and serve. Let's enjoy this one. We certainly did, and we hope you do too. Serve it cold with some mint and some chopped cilantro on top. Enjoy!